Okay, so let's solve yung problem na to. So, a steel wire 30 feet long hanging vertically supports a load of 50 pounds. 500 pounds rather. So, i-neglect lang daw natin yung weight ng wire. So, determine the required diameter if the stress is not to exceed 20 kSI. Ito. And yung total elongation is not to exceed 0.2 inch. So, assume yung A ng steel is 29 times 10 to the power of 6 PSI. Okay? Okay, so to solve this one, yung formula lang natin. So, meron tayong dalawang limitation na binigay, no? So, number 1 is yung limitation natin sa stress, which is we are only allowed up to 20 KSI. And another limitation that we have is we are only allowed a total deformation of 0.2 inch. So, dalawa yung i-check natin dito. So, the first one is yung stress. And the second one is yung sa deformation. So, in order to be safe, dapat yung actual stress must be less than or equal sa allowable stress. So, yung actual stress is we have this force over area. This must be less than or equal sa allowable stress natin. So, yung actual force na applied natin is 500 pounds or that is equivalent to 0.5 kips, no? Kips is kilopounds. Okay? All over yung area, which is pi over 4. And then yung required diameter, no? So, this must be less than or equal ng 20 KSI. 20 KSI. KSI is kips per square inch. So, we are expecting a value of D na 0.1784 inch. Okay? For deformation naman, in order to be safe, dapat yung actual deformation must be less than or equal sa allowable na deformation. So, the actual deformation is, we know that is force, pullovers are everywhere, and this must be less than or equal sa allowable na deformation. So, we have this force applied. So, walang weight, no? Kasi sabi niya, neglect lang eh. So, this is 500 pounds. And then we have this length na ito yung point of application natin dito sa tip. So, yung LO na gagamitin is from point of application down patungo dun sa far end ng material mo, which is 30 feet. So, we have this 30 feet. So, convert lang natin into inch. We know that in 12 inch, that is equivalent to 1 feet. And all over yung cross-sectional area, that is pi over 4 diameter squared. And then we have this E, which is 29,000 KSI. So, 29 times 10 to the power of 6. PSI is pounds per square inch. So, this must be less than or equal to 0.2 inch. So, we are consistent sa unit natin. So, we can now get the value of D, which is 0.1988 inch. So, makikita natin na dalawa yung D na nakuha natin. So, yung mag-govern na D is the bigger size. Okay? Bigger size, mas malaki yung size, meaning mas safer yan. Okay? Mas safe. So, bali, yung mag-govern is itong 0.1988 inch. And ito na yung sagot. Okay? So, I think that's it, no? So, let's continue sa next na video. Thank you.